Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Alpine bank account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Alpine bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on this interface click on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the address alpinebank.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Alpine Bank like this. Now in order to log into your Alpine Bank account from over here, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen where my mouse is hovering, here is the login button available for us. Click on the login button, which is at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear. Now you can also go to the additional settings to go to a different type of banking account from over here, but mine ones is a personal one with online banking. So enter your username of your banking over here, and after that click on the login button, and on the next step you'll be required to enter your password over here. Enter your password of your Alpine bank account. If you've forgotten it guys, you can always reset it from the forgot option over here. If you click on this button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to reset your Alpine bank account's password, or also you can sign in with a passkey from over here. If you click on this button, you will be able to sign in with a passkey with a different method, but I'll be sticking to this. After entering your username and your password guys, click on the sign in button over here, and then you'll be logged into your Alpine bank account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how to log into your Alpine bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.